10 danger signs that your dog is lonely. Sign number 1. Excessive barking. In general, dogs bark when they are trying to communicate, such as alerting you to the presence of another animal or person outside your home. If this behavior persists without a reason, it could signal a deeper issue, namely loneliness. This could be their way of calling out for attention and reassurance from their beloved human companion. Sign number 2. Lethargy. Lethargy, or lack of energy, in dogs is often an overlooked symptom of loneliness. In general, dogs should be energetic and playful on a regular basis. So if you notice a change in their behavior, it could be that the animal feels isolated or lonely. Sign number 3. Chewing and destructiveness. Chewing is natural behavior for a dog as it helps with stress relief. But when the behavior is excessive or directed at items that are inappropriate, it may indicate underlying emotional issues, such as loneliness. If your pet is left alone for long periods, they can become bored, and this can lead to destructive behaviors such as chewing furniture or digging up garden beds. Sign number 4. Changes in eating habits. Changes in eating habits are one of the most common indicators of loneliness. Dogs that are feeling lonely may lose their appetite completely or start overeating. This is especially true if they were previously used to regular meals and exercising alongside their owners. It's important to note that dogs who feel isolated may also start searching for food more often than usual as they try to satisfy their basic needs. Sign number 5. Loss of interest in play. If you notice that your pet is suddenly not interested in playing or running around with you as much as before, it may be an indicator that something is wrong. This could be a sign that your pup isn't getting enough human interaction or time outdoors. Make sure to give your pet plenty of attention to ensure they don't feel neglected or bored. Sign number 6. Seeking more attention. One sign that your dog may be feeling lonely is if it starts following you wherever you go. If you notice these behaviors, it's important to take some extra time to spend quality time with them. Playing catch or going for walks can help alleviate their loneliness and improve overall morale. Sign number 7. Escaping from home. Left alone for long periods, dogs may feel isolated, neglected, and stressed out. This can lead them running away in order to find something or someone to interact with. Try adding some new to their routine, like going on walks, playing games together, or a trip to the dog park could help. Sign number 8. Aggression or withdrawal from others. This can be a sign that your dog is feeling overwhelmed. Dogs may bark, snap at people or animals, or growl when touched, if they are feeling the effects of isolation. Conversely, withdrawal can also be an indication that your pup is lonely. They may show symptoms such as refusing to eat, pacing, avoidance, or sleeping much more than usual. Sign number 9. Ignoring commands or training is another sign of loneliness and unhappiness. This behavior should not be confused with disobedience, rather it's the dog's way of reaching out and asking for more attention from you. If your pup has been ignoring commands more often lately, make sure to give him some extra love and affection. Sign number 10. Inappropriate elimination. If your pup has recently started peeing or pooping more frequently or in places outside his designated spot, loneliness could be the reason. Loneliness in dogs is a real problem that should not be overlooked. If you notice that your pup is exhibiting signs of sadness or boredom when he's left alone, then this could be an indicator that he needs more attention and stimulation while you're away from home. Increase playtime and walks with your pet, give them plenty of attention, and consider enrolling them in doggy daycare or hiring a dog walker if your schedule does not allow for these activities. With a little effort and compassion, you can help ensure that your furry friend feels secure, loved, and happy. You will have your four-legged best friend back in no time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.